Okay, I'm gonna start with Nate. I'm getting the clothes.
Goodness.
Ooh, a pony.
Oh, it's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn.
It's a magical unicorn.
I knew there would be. I knew it. She always gives me clothes.
That's the first time.
When have I ever given you clothes?
I'm pretty sure you gave me some when I was a baby.
I don't know. I don't think I've ever given you clothes.
Ooh, a
Oh, it's pajamas. It's a nightgown. Oh, it's long. That's cool.
Yeah.
It's a little question.
Do you see what it says?
Best you can. Oh, you shove it in there.
Yeah, it barely fits.
You go to the shower. Don't be bragging down.
It's delicious. Well, I should say the
Poor girl. Only poor girl. It's a movie. Change your pillow when you move. Ah, it's a...
You make an emoji pillow.
It already comes with the pillow.
Yeah, the stuffing and all that, you stuff it yourself. And then you can change the sticker on it.
That'll be fun.
It reminds me, I got a picture for you. But I'm guessing this teaching has something to do with this. Look, more emojis.
No, just take that little black thing in. And a notepad and sticky notes.
Oh look, you get all fancy about it. You can make notes in style.
Oh, wait. Open that 1 second. Yeah.
Whoa.
It was the closest I could do, best I could do. You can put toys inside.
I was gonna make like surprise.
Yeah. Chocolate egg surprise maker.
Wow. That's cool.
This helps you make it.
That's white chocolate. Those are refill kits. And that's, yeah. And they come with wrappers and everything.
Wow.
And this one already comes with chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh. Look at that.
The three.
There's more? Oh, Lord. Have mercy.
I'm pretty sure I got some clothes.
Well, it's super cool you get to wear free dress to school.
Yeah. Never got that luck.
Got that in high school. Oh, I get home. I love
I went to Dollar General to get boxes.
Yeah.
And they don't sell them in the regular stuff. And she goes, I've got some for $1 on the Christmas table.
Yeah. I saw that at Family Dollar too. They were doing that.
I was
All
like,
at Christmas.
Ooh, I like the little
Oh, that's adorable.
And some Jackie.
I'm wearing this back to school and when they say, what'd you get for your birthday? They're gonna be like,
Those are 14. Those look big.
I lost 7 pounds.
Good night.
Might have to wait to wear these. Not wear the other Another lovely piece.
Yeah, they're all in Christmas boxes. Just FYI.
tries to keep the box, he goes the same level. And then he goes, you're all 14.
Look at it though. Hold it up. No, hold it up. You gotta unfold it. Look at the front. It ties.
Ooh.
Might have to wait till the tips are on before I get it.
No, I don't think it's too short. First of all.
It's probably just long in the back.
Jeggings.
These are what the kind Jasmine has.
Oh, y'all could twin.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna go buy clothes and see it. We can find 12 and stuff.
I don't see why people go through all the trouble to have a clothes box and then they wrap it.
Because it's Grammy.
Get that. Because they're confused. And then they have like pink sequins in the hole. And then look at the shirt that goes with it. It's pink sequins too.
Looks so cute. Hey guys, so we are at Rainforest Cafe since she didn't want to stay. Oh yeah, we're at the Rainforest Cafe. We have Melissa down here, the birthday girl. So
you know they let you blow out a cake, right?
What?
They let you blow out a candle if you tell them it's your birthday.
Oh, well I guess we're not gonna tell them.
Well, we're gonna tell them. My birthday was last week. It still counts.
Are you sure?
Not sure. You just say it's today. How do you do it?
So we're just gonna. Wait. Where got this? I'm paying attention. Yes, I was. I would not put her in danger.
I'm not sure.
That's so rude. So.
I'm just saying, I don't trust a lot of people with my life.
Well, you should trust me.
Well, it's my life.
Trust me. Trust Grammy. Don't trust her.
I will trust myself. It's called sister's love.
I wasn't gonna be the one getting her hit by a car.
I wasn't gonna get her hit by a car.
Yes, you were, because you were too big focused on your YouTube.
That's a lie. I was paying very much attention.
No, if I was her, if a car was coming, I would put my phone down and make sure she was over.
I was watching. I
Locked it, right?
Yeah.
See, my sister just
Yes.
loves me. Can you show even love me coming from a hill?
You know how many times?
You can take my breath away. Yeah, it's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand.
And others too numerous to mention. The South American rainforest is home to macaws, Amazons, and toucans. The rainforests of Australia and New Zealand are home.
I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche.
This is a natural burger with some fries.
You need one. Alright, keep it there. It's at your Rainforest Cafe. We have a very special guest. We have Melissa here turning your life, and let's get it up! Alright, can you see your tiger balls? Can you scare the camera away for me? Alright, you have to keep that going while we sing to you, alright? Keep it going, keep it going. On three, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, all of us, you. Take some special, make us feel. Hope you have a super fun chop day. Happy birthday, Rainforest Cafe! Alright, one more thing. Make wish.
So I just ended the vlog that was on Monday and it's already Wednesday, but it's the same day for me filming. Anyways, so the vlog that you're about to see, I didn't really like explain too much. So basically it was my niece Melissa's birthday this prior week. Well, it's not this week, it was the week before. Anyways, it was her birthday, so my mom wanted to take her out to Rainforest Cafe for her birthday. So that's pretty much what you see in this vlog. After that, I didn't do a whole lot, so I didn't really feel like vlogging. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, go ahead, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you wouldn't mind, hit the red subscribe button right down below. If you like my travel vlog, go ahead and subscribe, because there should be more coming very soon. If you want to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, it's @LoveMeganAnn. And if you want to find me on my blog, you can use the link down in the description below. They're always all linked down there, so always check out the description box. And yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out.